Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your keyboard shortcuts for a physical keyboard on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. And this will show you the explanations of the keyboard shortcuts on the screen. So all you have to do is just go to your settings, find general management, scroll down to where you have physical keyboard, tap on that, and you will find the keyboard shortcuts. Now once you tap on that, you have two sets of keyboard shortcuts that you can check here. And if you look towards the bottom, you can see system and you also have apps. So you can go through each of them and see what each means. Keep in mind that depending on what computer you're using, as it says, the CMD key could be the Windows key, the command key, or even a search key. So you will have to try this out on your computer while using this. But if you scroll down, you will see what each of these commands mean, and you can easily go ahead and use them to navigate your phone. If you go to the apps, it's basically showing you what each key will use for when you want to use certain apps. So if you'd like to browse, you use a command plus B to bring up the browser. And if you like to go, for example, to search or your Gmail, you use a command plus E or F. So you can really go ahead and choose which one. Future videos, guys, you want to check out future videos because I will be showing you how to modify or customize these keys as well. So see you next time, guys. Thank you guys for watching.